At CrystoVision, we think many people enter trading like they are stepping into a dark room. They know there is opportunity somewhere. They know the market is moving. They know there is potential. But they cannot clearly see where they are standing. That is when trading starts to feel stressful. Not because people are incapable, but because confusion makes every decision heavier. A platform should switch on the lights. We built CrystoVision around a simple belief. A platform should not make the room darker. It should turn the lights on. That means simpler learning, clearer tools, reliable support, and a smoother way to understand what is happening before action is taken. Trading should not feel like a secret club where everyone else got the manual. Learn the language of the market. Before confidence comes language. Long position. Short position. Spread. Leverage. Volatility. Margin. These are not just terms on a page. They are the building blocks of better decisions. At CrystoVision, we make those basics easier to understand so users can move from guessing to recognizing what they are looking at. Tools that help you see clearly. Once the basics are clearer, the tools become more useful. CrystoVision supports users with market data, intelligent alerts, expert assistance, professional tools, competitive spreads, and quick withdrawals. With over 1M completed trades, 4,000 opportunities, and 30+ payment methods, we give users the space to explore. But the real goal is not just access. The real goal is visibility. Trade with your eyes open. At CrystoVision, we believe progress starts when the picture becomes clearer. Less fog. Less panic. Less random clicking. More learning. More awareness. More control. Trading will always involve risk. But with the right tools and the right understanding, users can stop walking in the dark. That is CrystoVision.